Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today is 23rd January 2023. Today's my technical topic is constructor in Java programming language. First of all, what is constructor? Constructor, it is a special type of method. It is used to and it is called when the object is created. Constructor, it has the same name as the class name, and constructor does not have return type. Next is constructor are used to initialize the state of an object and setting its initial value or performing any necessary setup and operations. Next is constructor in Java play an important role in the object oriented programming system. Here are some key points about the constructors. First is, what is the main purpose of the constructor? The primary purpose of the constructor is to initialize the state of an object. It's an object valid and usable state once is created. Next is, what is the name and signature of a constructor? Constructor have the same name as the class name. They belong to the classes. They do not have a return type, even not a void return type or void keyword. The signature of a constructor is the class name and two parentheses. In that parenthesis we can pass the argument as our requirement. Next is, there are two types of constructor, default and user defined. Default constructor, if a class doesn't have provided explicitly constructor, then Java is automatically provide the default constructor to the run Java program. And in default constructor there is a no argument in the parenthesis. Next is user defined constructor or a parameterized constructor. Those are the constructors have parameters allowing you to provide the value at the time of creation of object and the execution. If we have passed the argument and don't give the value, then it is set to as a default value of the particular data types. Next is constructor we can overload. For example, we can overload method as the same type. We can pass the different types of argument in the constructor and we can achieve constructor overloading. Next is constructor chaining. In this process we can call the another constructor from the same class of the constructor by using of this, and in the front of this keyword is use of parenthesis, and we can achieve the constructor chaining. Next is constructor execution order, means what is the order of the execution of the constructor during execution. When an object is created, constructors are executed in a specific manner, that is, the constructor of a superclass is called before the constructor of the subclass, and is so on. Next is initialization block. In addition to constructor, Java allows use of initialization block, means static blocks or instance block, to execute code during object creation, and instance initialization block before the constructors. Next is constructor is almost similar to the method and is used for performing the special types of method. And when the constructor is called, then object is created, and the main use of the constructor is used to initialize the method and initialize the object of the particular class. It is overall about the constructor in Java programming language. Thank you.